Yeah, hello. My name is Daniel James. I am a lead generation expert, email marketer, and sales development representative. And I want to thank you for giving me the opportunity to showcase my skill. I'd want you to share, I'm sharing my screen with you. This is exactly what I do in prospecting the qualified leads that a particular company may need in boosting their products, whether be it software or be it any products, okay, in the society at large. So this is actually what I do as a sales development representative. Now, this is my scaled outbound prospecting. This is how I prospect. The first stage that I have here is I normally generate leads, personalized leads. And how do I do this? What I actually do is I will ask my client what he or she needs based on the target, okay, of the market he wants to advertise his company to. So this is one of the leads that I provided for one of my recent jobs that I concluded in UK. Okay, the client needed the names. Okay, he just needed the names of director of operations and manager of event of operations of any of the ice arenas in United States. Okay, he has a software that he wants to sell to them, and he had difficulty in generating the email list. So what I did for him was that I helped him in getting the names, okay, of the ice rings. Okay, as you can see, these are the names of the managers. Okay, then I have the name of the ice arena. Okay, this one is in US. Then I went as far as getting the addresses of his targets for him. Then what he actually needed was their title and their email address, but I went as far as getting their phone numbers for him. So back to my scaled outbound prospecting. The other sample that I showed to you earlier is a kind of a lead, okay, based on what my clients want that I usually use to generate the leads. Then after that is done, then I move to import to cold email, okay, automation of low CRM, where I have to write a script, okay, based on what my client actually wants. Then it goes to we configure the email, okay, by launching it, okay, and creating several campaigns for the email, okay. But what I normally do here, as it gets to this region, what I actually do is the target of the prospects, okay, what my clients actually need. What I normally do is I do what I call omnipresent marketing, because the person that I am targeting may actually be on several social media. So what I usually do is that whatsoever email that I generate from this stage, whatsoever email I generate from this stage, then I prospect them into various channels, okay, social media channels, outreaches, okay, be it LinkedIn, be it Facebook, be it Instagram, be it Twitter, and so on. Definitely, what my target may be in any of these social media. So if he or she does not get the mail on LinkedIn, he will get it on Facebook and Twitter and other social media. That is what I mean by omnipresent marketing. Then, if the response was yes, if the response to the mail was yes, meaning that there is a positive response to what I am trying to sell, okay, to the prospects of my client, then the next thing is that I will request a call, okay. But if on the other hand the response was no, what I normally do is I usually send about 4 to 8 follow-up messages, okay, to that same prospect, okay. Then if after having sent the 4 to 8 messages, follow-up messages to a prospect, and the response is yes, then the process continues like that, as you can see on this chart, until we request a call, a booking, okay, then the CRM is automatically generated. The CRM is automatically generated. But if after having sending this 4 to 8, okay, 4 to 8 emails to the client, and there is no follow up, like maybe for about 8 or 6 months, then what I normally do is that I will back out. Okay, I back out within 6 to 12 months because there are other prospects, okay, in the society at large there that need what I'm trying to sell, okay, that need what I'm trying to give to them better than wasting my time on those. So this is just a summary of what I do, okay, but following starting from generating the leads. I import a cold email, that is automation of the close CRM. Then I configure the email campaign where I will launch it, okay, to send to those targets in various social media. I prefer social media, like I said, because if the prospect, the targets are not on Facebook, they will be on Twitter or they will be on any social platform. Okay, so it goes on and on and on and on like that until the final booking is made, until I have a qualified leads down the group. I will appreciate you to review my resume for further discussion about my background and expertise so that we can discuss better. Thank you.